Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Beck. I'm here to share my passion/hobby with you guys. And as you all might guess, it's all around crypto. I have also started a new international giveaway, so make sure you participate. And who knows, you might win and I will ship it to you. For now I have some bad news. My crypto mining bedroom soon will be just a regular bedroom. Honestly, I knew that it might come to that moment. So it all started a few days ago when I received a complaint from my neighbors. The interesting thing is that they complain about the noise which is coming from the outside. Not even inside, it's from outside. Meaning that I cannot keep my windows open anymore, leading to an overheating of the mining equipment, and the temperature in that room can go up to 122 degrees, which is insane for an apartment, because the heat then goes to the other rooms, and the summer days are quite close, and I don't want to experience those summer days earlier. My previous idea is no longer on the table, and I'm talking about the one with isolating the windows, and the little turbine will extract all of the heat from the room outside. So now I'm trying to find a little storage facility with a good ventilation and preferably soundproof. A little barn can work. And honestly, I don't understand my neighbor's point. And I'm not saying anything against it, because I could imagine opening a window at night for fresh air and hearing that high-pitched noise from Silicon or Bitmain ASIC miners. So as I was saying, I'm now looking for a new place to run my crypto mining hobby and hopefully expand to even bigger facility in the nearest future. I thought it would be much more easier to find the place online. Apparently it is not. So now I'm trying to drive around the town to find a sign, industrial place for rent, or like barn for rent or hangar for rent. Here in Switzerland everything works so slow and everyone is answering you a few days later, and not even by email. They prefer to use postal letters in the majority of cases. Luckily I'm not really a fan of email conversations, so I just prefer to give them a call and schedule my visit. Even then those guys are so busy, so they're scheduling your appointment for a visit the week after. So after waiting for all that time, you arrive there next week and they show you a place without any electrical socket. I'm not even talking about the windows, meaning you need to start your search all over again. So I really hope that I will find a place before those hot summer days arrive. Oh, forgot to mention, soon I want to try a new type of videos, more informative. In those videos I will keep you updated about latest news, different rumors about cryptocurrency. I thought it would be interesting to cover those topics in the separate videos, maybe weekly or even daily. So if you're one of those people who doesn't really like mining and just want to see something really interesting in the crypto world, such as some news about crypto exchanges, or even the fact that Tesla now accepts Bitcoin as a payment method for their cars. And they don't just accept it and convert it to fiat later on. They really accept it as a clean and raw Bitcoin. So if you think you would be interested in those kind of informative videos, you should consider subscribing. So I think it will be all for now, and I guess it's time to visit our first place. But let's see our mining bedroom one more time. So now I'm keeping the blinds completely open. I wanted to raise them higher, but I decided to leave it like that so people wouldn't really look from the outside. What is it? By the way guys, soon I will do a video about helium. I really hope you can hear me. Soon I will do a video about how you can exchange HNT tokens to fiat. Okay guys, I'm filming on my phone now, and I hope the quality is good. Well, it is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it should be good. I think it's the door on the right, but I'm not sure. I need to wait for the guy. Let's look at the electricity. Okay, I think they should have around 20 or 25 amps. It's usual power in Geneva.